Hello and welcome, viewers. Today's video is all about creating your very own currency converter website using ChatGPT without the need for writing any code. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, this video will guide you through the entire process, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional currency converter website up and running, all thanks to the power of ChatGPT. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. This is the prompt for ChatGPT. Now copy the code and paste it in text editor. Here is the final result. You can check this. Link in description.